This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Vioma Lorenzo. Welcome to this beautiful move-in ready home. You will love this popular Lazio split floor plan in the desirable resort-style community of Esplanade at the High in Bradenton. No details were missed with over $97K in structural and designer updates. This open floor plan home has so much to offer. There are 3 generously sized bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a formal dining space, flex office space, a separate laundry room, and a 3-car tandem garage. Get ready to love cooking in your gourmet chef's kitchen with a massive quartz island for entertaining, counter seating, and top-of-line upgraded appliances, including a gas range with an over-the-hood vent, extended island, and cabinets with soft close drawers. Your master suite has stunning scenic views of the pond through your rear large bay windows. Your ensuite bathroom boasts quartz double sinks and an oversized walk-in shower. The lanai was converted into a beautiful modern enclosed Florida room that overlooks the backyard paradise with views of the pond and manicured landscaping with added plants and trees for optimum privacy and beautiful greenery. It is also already water and gas pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. It will make you feel like you are on vacation every day. This property sits on a premium pond and corner lot just a few steps from the future community clubhouse. For more information.